only me lucky, so today I got a pack opening. So hopefully I can, okay, please be gold. Yes, and the first pack is an Eddie Jones. It's a quite nice card, so let's go flip him. LeBron! Oh my gosh, man! It's one of my first amethysts. It's not my first though, because I have got more flip. Oh, jeez, take it. That's trash. 3, 2, 1, flip. Ooh, yes, a bonus. 3, 2, 1, flip. Ooh, demoralizing. That's not bad. Sorry if you can hear my clicking. My microphone is really loud. Like, you can hear everything. Bam, flip. Oh my gosh, Shaq, another one. So my second amethyst pull. Sorry you guys can't see the whole screen. Don't know why that's not working. Another bonus. It's not letting me record the whole screen. Oh my gosh, another one. I might just keep doing flip all packs, man, because they're working. It's just not letting me record my whole screen. Whoa, Fraser, that's so good. But, yeah, well, it's still letting me record, at least. Come on. One diamond. I had 1 diamond on 2K. Oh no. What's I was saying? You're not even a gold. And this is good gold. Okay. I don't want you. Let's not get you. Oh my gosh, that is my 4th amethyst. Let's go. Okay, then we go straight back to silvers. Come on, 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 damn it, come on, dime, John, that just kind of killed the mood. Bronze to start flip ball. Comment down below, guys, if you like flipple packs. I like doing them just because they're easier to get 3 packs, so I can open a ton. Ooh, damn. 3, 2, 1, flip! Oh, it's got Weedman. Sorry if you can hear though. That. I'm just kind of playing my laptop while doing this. Another Walt Frazier! Bam! Flipple. Ooh, no, that's not very good. Again! Oh my gosh, bro. Nah, man, I'm done. Oh, I didn't think you can get bronzes in this. Whatever, man. Marcus Don. So far, that's 5 amethysts. Oh, wow, that is just trash. Rudy, I don't know who you are. Why can't I get your amethyst? Or even your diamond? No, are they? Seriously? No freaking buy. Oh, jeez. Wow, this is getting really trash. What? Another Walt Frazier? I don't want you. Bam. Holy George. Bam. 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 Football. Lateral. Dennis Rodman. That's half decent. Dominique. That is decent. That's not decent. That's not decent. Where are these diamonds at? I got 5 amethysts. I have plenty of them now. Michael Cooper. Michael. Jason Smith. Bronze just. Oh, mellow. Oh, kill him. Oh, that's not a. I don't even know. Oh, kill him. 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 Okay, so now I'm getting some really good gold. Oh, kill him. I'm going to say that for every single gold or good pull I get. I was about to say, yo, I'm not saying it for that. Whoa, kill him. Sleepy Floyd. Nice 89 overall gold. Come on, where are these diamonds at? Amethyst. Okay, I'm gonna actually have a look at this one. Go gold in the middle. Go gold. Go silver. Go. If no. Silver, gold, bronze. Let's open this one by one. Gold. Tomorrow. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. DeMar DeRozan. I'm gonna skip that pack. Bald head. Crowder. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. Boy. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing it for now. Moses Malone. No, I'm gonna stop. Okay, that was weird. That's a 6th amethyst. Oh my gosh. Zaza. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna stop for now. Like seriously. Sean Kemp. Oh, kill him. Oh, kill him. The Tumbo stand at all. Ice. Okay, I told you I was gonna stop, and I'm gonna stop another Sleepy Floyd. Man, this pack opening is going so well. Okay, I'll stop talking now. Man, that was crap. Ooh, burpee. Don't want you, Bill. Nice Rockets logo. Another Paul George. Let's freaking go! 7! 8? Nope. I'm not gonna do that anymore. 8! Okay, let's look at So we got a gold, a bronze, a gold, a bronze. Ooh, looks like I'm getting myself a gold. Sam Cassell. Moment of truth. Bam. Bang. Oh my gosh. Oops. I think okay, my screen's moving now. Yay, let's do a moving screen pack. Okay, let's do a moving screen pack. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, bam! I don't want chicken. Okay, let's do another one. That one. Oh. Where's it going? Bam! No, chicken. Bam! Like, okay. Okay. This is 3 more packs. I'm gonna look at all 3 of them. Nate, you're so small. Okay, 3 more, 2 more. Gold. Pretty. Okay, last pack. Silver, gold. And on a Dennis Johnson. That is not very good. So guys, yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. 7 Amethyst surely deserves a thumbs up and a subscribe. Sorry if you just saw my mouse. I'm gonna edit on my sorry if you saw my mouse during that video. I'm gonna edit it on my laptop, and I always put my mouse in it. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Midget Bros out.